This guy went to Mavuso. Exactly, yeah. And then, made an arrangement. Everything was fine. Baba right, no problem. He was kicked out of the house, so he stays in the back room.
Okay. So he was not kicked out, he was moved out.
He was moved out, yes. He was moved, yeah.
I'm shifty saying man.
Yeah. Exactly. So, after the act, the woman asked for aspirin, and then a few minutes later, she died. So she came and went.
Can I tell you what I would do?
Yeah.
I would leave the room and pretend and figure I'm Fumani Paya. Yeah.
Wow, cool.
Sorry.
I don't want to say...
Le outside call ukwenza le flop nje.
Yeah.
Like le flop lokuthi abantu bavele bafeinte or bashone. No bathi akaqala bathi hayi yena kadlala. And bathi igama lakho Malankana ngithi yabaha. Malankana. Or uyabahama nomntwana. Bathi hayi bathi akadlali kushoniwe nje banihleka ke nina no3. Unomuntu oshonile nje banihleka kanje kunomuntu oshonile eingubeni. Bathi bayiqeda ukushona lo muntu yambheka Mathiriso. Kubulayile. Kubulayile. Mama! Umntwana abantu ufile angatholanga amavuso wakhe. Umalankane bathi akaqali ngalento. Abamchazela bathi long jove but long jove. Ujoveland. But bangena emavusweni bathi wangena Tombstone. Ujovis. Hayi. Ujovis. Bathi uhambe nalomntwana bathi ari. Bathi awutsoseng. Bathi ngothakithi barikha kitlabo. Bathi wamuthi. Bathi namntana uthi ucela iDispring bese kulate. Ucela iDispring vele sa ICU. Yini kunomuntu oshonile yini marangane. Ucela iDispring usa ICU so doop. We're losing hair. Umalankana lokuthi kichila kare ka ubula. Ukasengkhoni kanthoja kaje. Amount time for listen. Usaphila boy atawantsiba. I see you Tatis. Popular ambulance. Bathi Jovis makahamba nawe emavusweni ulandela iambulance like an escort. Bayazi vele ukuthi hayazini. La uyakhona sisi. Wayithela amsobhe etswayini. Yey bathi uJovis ayakadlali kuni. Bathi akadlali bathi bakafika vele emavusweni akathi uvela hlela straight out. Abheki next victim ugrand. Felicio driver. Hurry. Umama ke makangena nalomuntu uthi hey ngwana bathu awutibi shem re tlotla ka wena utsule useng a re bone mara rest in peace lapho unestuka se rest in peace la like makhumula iskipa sakho bhala rest in peace. Ay Malankana. Ay la puta all right. So Ibli out by the bravo. Where is he now? Where is he? Mangere chele but yo. Rochachela ntoje 2 ujuche ntoje abantu enubulale umuntu. Hayi but manje problem is it murder or is it what? Bathi yabona bathi naye ayekhotha afika khumule babone ukuthi ubulawe yini.